from Jenkins and Wynne. This is Josh. He is one of our technicians at our Ford car department, and he is going to show us how to change oil today.
Hi, I want to help you understand your vehicle. I want to compare the engine to the body, as well as the transmission, oil, and air filter.
So the engine is like the...
Oh, okay. So the engine is like the heart, the main organ in your body, keeps you running. The transmission keeps your wheels spinning. The oil keeps it lubricated and running smoothly. The air filter helps your engine breathe so it can last longer and prevent you high fuel costs. It's important to keep a regular scheduled maintenance on your engine with regularly scheduled oil changes. It prolongs the life of the engine, and if you don't, it'll become metal on metal and sludge build up will eventually break down and tear up the engine.
So about how long does it take to get an oil change at Jenkins and Wynne?
About 45 minutes to an hour. We have the use of lifts that help us speed along our way, and also if they're kind of behind, we have other technicians to help us. And is the oil pan and oil filter on this particular car. How dirty it is. And it's very filter right here, the oil filter. This piece here acts like your heart in a way. Try to Thank you for choosing Jenkins and Wynne for your automotive needs.